Hello everyone, I'm Charuta, founder of Urja Wellness and Joy. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited to present this reading by combining numerology, tarot cards, and angel cards. The question I have asked is how would be next 6 months for the people whose date of birth number is 3 as per the numerology? I'm repeating this question. How would be next 6 months, that is from June 2020 to December 2020, for those whose date of birth number is 3 as per the numerology? So let's first understand how to calculate this date of birth number. For example, if you're born on 21st of December 1985, then we are taking into consideration number 21. Okay, we are ignoring the month and the year. Okay, so this number 21 is then reduced to a single digit number by adding 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So that's how we arrive at date of birth number. So as I mentioned, this reading is only for those whose date of birth number is 3 as per the numerology. It means all those people who are born on 3rd, 12th, 21st and 30th of any month. Okay guys, are you clear? So what you guys have to do is you have to select your pile for this reading. Okay, so I have made 3 piles, pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. So just intuitively select your pile, take a moment, just close your eyes, take a deep breath and just pay attention which number is popping up in your mind. Is it number 1? Is it number 2 or 3? I have also placed these beautiful flowers. Just pay attention which flower is drawing your attention. Red, pink or white. Alright, so meanwhile you make a choice. I would love to share numerological insights about number 3. If you guys are towards positive side of number 3 energy, then you guys are very creative, sensitive, easygoing and fun-loving souls. You are good at any creative or artistic fields like singing, dancing, drawing, painting, writing, gardening, or playing any musical instrument. But it happens that you often take this God gift for granted and you lack the motivation to improve your skills or to pursue this talent or this hobby of yours at a next level. Then you love entertainment, you love to enjoy life, you are very fun-loving souls, you love to socialize, you are kind of famous among your friends, you make other people laugh a lot, then you love to travel and you are very good at communication. Okay, you have a very good sense of beauty and art. But if you are towards the negative side of number 3 energy, then often you slip into the zone of self-pity, then you gossip about others, then you blame people and situations around you. You kind of go into the shell and it is easy, then it becomes very easy to get depressed, and go into the victim zone about everything that is happening in your life. You kind of crib or complain a lot. So this happens when you are towards a negative side of number 3 energy. Okay, all right guys, so this was about a numerological aspect of number 3. So now let's move on to card reading. So number 3 guys, those who chose pile number 1, red flower, here are the cards for you. These are tarot cards. So let's see what's stored for you guys in coming 6 months. Let's check cards one by one. So this is the first card you got, the ego. Okay, this card is indicating that you would be feeling trapped or stuck during these 6 months. So but the angels or the cards are saying this is just an illusion, guys. Okay, you guys are overthinking, you're giving too much attention to what's happening around you. It's time to go within and find out answers. Your heart is guiding you towards the right path. Just try to listen to that inner voice, okay, and just let go of all the fears and insecurities that you are holding tightly. Okay, just seek guidance from your heart. Okay, so the next card you got is Ten of Winter. Okay, it means that some areas or some situations in your life would come to an end. So it could be resolution of the conflict that you guys are facing, that would come to an end, or it could be an end of a job, or it could be an end of a relationship, or it could be this card also indicates stress. But on the face value, you guys feel that, oh my god, whatever is happening, it looks terrible, or I'm not happy with it, and it is very unpleasant. But guys, this card is telling you that this end of the phase is opening up new opportunities in your life. So this is definitely beginning of a new, which is a very positive future. Okay, so don't worry if some negative incidences happen in your life, because those incidences or those situations are actually pushing you towards what you want and towards a better future. Okay, next card you got is Peace. Wow, so this is so much aligned with the previous card. So when any negative situation happens, we tend to hold on to people, hold on to situations, and we kind of find very difficult to let go of things or people or situations. So this card is asking you to make peace with whatever is happening with you, make peace with others, make peace with your external situations, environment. Okay, or just let go, guys. If someone or something wants to go out of your life, then let it go, don't hold on to it. Okay, because again, this card is also saying that there is an end of a major phase in your life and beginning of a new. So there is no point in holding on to your past, or it also indicates that some habits regarding your health. There is no point in holding on to those habits. If you want to improve your health, you need to let go of those habits. This is also a message. Next card you got is Knight of Michael. Wow, so this card has a very powerful energy. This card demands you to take a logical action, take a practical action. Okay, don't get overwhelmed by your emotions, but the time or the situation that you're going through, or some areas of your life, would demand you to take practical actions, think logically, and it would demand you to keep your emotions aside. Don't get emotional. Okay, that situation would demand you to be very practical, okay, and action oriented. Don't waste your time in overthinking. Just take an action, and you would do that. The next card you got is Four of Swords. Okay, this card is asking you to take a break. Okay, so again, in some areas of your life, there would be a situation where you will feel tired. You will feel, oh my god, I have fought enough, and yet I am not getting any results. Like I have worked hard enough, but yet I am not getting results. So this card is guiding you to change your strategy. And how to change the strategy? First, take a break and contemplate, decide, plan, and then take an action. Okay, so some areas of your life would demand you to take a break, and come up with new plans, new strategies to deal with that situation. Okay, also this card is guiding you to take care of your body, care of your mind. Your body needs rest, guys. Okay, so don't ignore the needs of your body. Take proper rest, eat healthy food and drink a lot of water. This is about Four of Swords. The next card you got is Prince of Spring. Okay, wow. So again, this is very much aligned with the Knight of Michael. So it means that there would be certain situations or scenarios in your life which would demand you to take an action, and you will take it. Okay, and there is a slight different energy of this card is that you will feel inspired to take action, guys. Okay, and it will not feel like you're working hard, because you all those actions would be inspired. Okay, and you'll feel very confident, that you will feel that yes, whatever I'm doing is the right thing. Okay, so this is again a very powerful card with a lot of action oriented energy. There is a lot of movement. Okay, so I feel some of you guys will shift places. Okay, travel or relocate to a different city or a country. So this card tells is indicating a lot of movement happening. Okay, also some of you would commit to physical exercises, and you will stick to that routine. So this card has a lot of physical energy, physical movement energy. Wow, this is a beautiful card. I just love this card, guys. Justice, the name itself is so powerful. The name of the card, that is Justice. So you understand the meaning of a justice. So guys, justice would be done. Okay, all the efforts that you have been taking for so many months or years would be paid off. Okay, you will get your fair share. You will get due acknowledgement, credit, and your fair share. Okay, so if you are fighting any court cases, so high chances that those cases would work in your favor, right? The verdict or decision would be made in your favor. So this card has a lot of fairness, positive energy. So don't worry. So if you guys are feeling, oh my god, life hasn't been fair with me, okay, if you're carrying this feeling, then definitely this is a good positive sign that no, guys, your time will come, and it will certainly gonna come in coming 6 months, and you will feel that wow, finally the justice has been done. Okay, next card you got is Ace of Spring. Okay, this card is a very creative. This card has got a very creative energy. So if during this period you will get a lot of creative ideas about your career, about your business, about any changes that you're looking to make in your life. So you'll be blessed with a lot of creative energy. Also, it also indicates that some of you will get job offers, and some of you will get opportunities to travel. So this is a very good positive card, which says that beginning of something good, beginning of something positive, beginning of something new, okay, in your life. So whatever the creative ideas that you get it, whatever inspiration that you receive during this 6 months, please follow through. It will work in your favor. Okay, so the next card you got is Five of Pentacles. So some of you or some aspects of your life will feel that I'm not receiving right guidance, or I'm not receiving right help, or whenever if I require money, it's not available in my life, that kind of a feeling. Okay, but this card is actually guiding you to develop positive relationship with money. Okay, this card is also telling you that you're looking for a help at a wrong places. So you guys must ask your heart, okay? If, for example, if you are seeking any guidance, just ask your heart, whom should I approach, okay? What videos should I watch, or simply you can pray to the universe that universe, please send right help in my life, okay? And once you ask, it is given, guys. That's what law of attraction is. So don't get discouraged, okay? Don't worry about the finances, just keep developing positive relationship with money, and just have that mindset that whenever I require, money will show up in my life. You need to have that mindset, otherwise you're gonna feel disappointment, okay? So this was about 5 of Pentacles. So now let's see what angel cards are telling you. Okay, the first card you got is innocence. Second card you got is make a wish. Okay, wow. Third card, spring. And fourth card, wow, protected from all harms. Wow. So let's check angel cards, messages from angels one by one. So the first card you got is innocence. So guys, whatever you're thinking, this card is telling you that 90% of the person fears that you are having currently will not come true. Your angels are protecting you, they are giving you a hug, okay? So this is a time to create something new, okay? And any desire which is born out of innocence is pure, okay? So don't judge that, okay? Don't judge that, just follow that desire, and once you follow through that idea, angels are promising you that they are going to protect you, okay? And they are going to offer all the support that you would need along the way. So make a wish. Wow. So this is a time to make a wish. So it is all about the first aspect of a law of attraction, guys, that is ask, okay? Get your ask clear. This is the message. So first you need to have a clarity, before placing order to the universe. You need to have a clarity. What do you exactly want? So keep asking this question to yourself, that what do I really want, what do I really would like to experience in life, and then make a demand, then make a wish. And if universe is telling you, universe is like waiting for you to make that wish, okay? So be confident, just ask, do not hesitate. Your wish is gonna come true, because here is the message from the universe that we are waiting for you to make a wish. This is a very wonderful card. Spring. Wow. So this card is giving you a message that all your dreams are going to fulfill. Just have little patience, okay? Also this card is guiding you to nurture your dreams, nurture whatever you have been praying, your wishes, whatever you have been asking to the universe. Nurture those dreams, okay? Creative visualization will work best during this phase. So daily spend minimum 5 to 10 minutes visualizing that your dreams have come true, okay? Try to feel it, every aspect of it, and then you will experience the manifestation of it. So this is a very positive card. It is a sign from the universe. You can see the butterfly. The universe is giving sign that they are working behind the scenes. So just rest assured, just hold on to that vision of yours, vision of your dreams. Okay, so the next card you got is you're protected from all types of harms. Wow. The worst is now behind you, and I ask you to relax and feel. Wow, that's the very soothing message from this angel. And so guys, you must be worrying that what if, we all say that what if history repeats, what if that whatever bad incident or bad situation you had experienced, what if that repeat in future. But your angels are clearly giving you a sign that no, it is not going to happen. Whatever has happened now, and the worst is now behind you. So don't worry, only positive and joyful future awaits you. Okay, guys, so this was the reading for people who selected pile number 1. Now let's move on to pile number 2. Thank you, guys. All those who selected pile number 2, these are your cards. These are tarot cards. So let's check what's stored for you guys in coming 6 months. Let's check cards, messages from cards one by one. So the first card you got is 3 of Michael. It means that in certain aspects of your life, you're going to experience disappointment, sadness, and heartbreak. However, angels will be there with you to heal your pain, and they are saying that eventually you're going to understand that things are happening for your highest good. Okay, so guys, everything is happening for the reason. Okay, everything is happening for your highest good. So during these times, just take care of your mind, take care of your body, be a little gentle with your own self, and allow time to heal your heart. The next card you got is High Priestess. It means that you are expected to keep secrets. Okay, so secrets of other people, and also you have to keep secrets about your plans. Okay, so do not share your dreams, plans, desires or wishes, or what you're aspiring to do in your life with people around you, especially people who are not so positive. Okay, this card is also telling you that during this time your intuitions will be all time high. Okay, you are going to become very sensitive to energies, so just pay attention to your dreams, pay attention to your intuitions, because they are guiding you towards the right path. Also spend some time in meditation, it will help you to manage your energy. So the next card you got is Lovers. Wow, this is a beautiful card, guys. So good news for people who are looking to get engaged, committed, married. The right partner is going to show up, guys. So stay positive. Okay, very happy times when it comes to relationships. Even for married people, they are going to experience that their bond is improving. It's becoming stronger day by day. So it's a period of happiness and love and joy. The other message from this card is in certain aspects or areas of your life, you will find yourself standing on crossroads. You will feel that oh my god, I don't know what to choose, which way to go, and this entire decision making process would feel extremely overwhelming, because that is going to be an intense choice, and your angels are asking you to follow your heart, obviously, because heart always guides us to right path. The next card you got is Emperor. Okay, so there would be certain aspects of your life where or situations which would demand you to be more practical and logical. So manage your time wisely, guys. Plan properly, plan your day, plan your diet, plan your routine. Okay, so do not let your emotions overpower. Okay, so make choices based on pure logic, in certain aspects of your life which would demand you to be more logical and strong and authoritative person, and which you would do that, which you would become. Next card you got is Knight of Pentacles. Okay, this card is telling you to take calculated risks. Okay, at times you'll feel that, oh my god, I have a very long way to go, and you will doubt yourself that I don't know whether will I get time, will I get money. but your angels are assuring you that all the resources would be provided to you along the way. So just hold on to that vision of yours, hold on to your dreams, and keep taking small steps daily. And soon, or you ultimately you will be able to achieve what you are aspiring to achieve. Okay, next card you got is King of Gabriel. Wow, this is again a very powerful card, very positive card with respect to money, career, business. It means that people will respect you, people will respect your skills. They will come and seek your advice, and this is a very good card for people who are looking for business deals to crack, or new job. People who are looking for new jobs or job promotion, or any career related dreams. If you have, this is a very good card. Okay, the next card you got is Two of Autumn. Okay, so in again there would be certain situations or time where you will have to multitask. Okay, you will have to manage many responsibilities and activities, and at times you will feel that I'm just doing those activities for the sake of doing it. I'm not enjoying it. So the message from the card is that, guys, stay in the present moment, enjoy everything that you're doing. Okay, bring passion into your work. So this is the message. Next card you got is Queen of Spring. Okay, especially for ladies, girls, you're gonna have a wonderful time, because you're gonna feel proud of yourself. The way you're managing personal life as well as professional life is really really amazing. And you will feel that suddenly you are blessed with that energy, because everywhere people will appreciate you, they will respect you, they will come to you to seek your advice. And you'll feel that, oh my god, I can do everything, I can fly high. This is a powerful energy of a creation, powerful energy, especially for ladies. And for the people who are having lady boss, there is a message that you need to be extremely efficient to impress her. Okay, so next card you got is Nine of Wands. Okay, this card is telling you, hold on, guys, hold on. Okay, don't give up. At times or in certain areas of your life, you will feel drained out, you'll feel like giving up, because you'll feel that I've been trying to achieve this very hard, but yet I'm not getting results. But now results are there around the corner, and this is not a time to give up, guys. Just gather all the courage, strength, and give your best shot, because soon you're going to manifest whatever you are aiming for. Okay, so these were messages from tarot cards. So let's check what messages angel cards would like to give you. So the first card you got is cleanse and detoxify, morning affirmations, victory, wow, and the diet change. Fine. So the first card you got is detoxify. So you guys are going to find yourself in thinking too many thoughts. Okay, so you need to take a break. You guys are overthinking. So angels are saying that the moment you find yourself overthinking, okay, just take a break. Okay, spend some time in meditation. Also, there is a time, this is a time to detoxify your body, so take all necessary efforts. Next card you got is morning affirmations. Again, this is very much aligned with the other cards. So it means that try to start your mornings positively. Okay, affirmations are very simple positive statements. Okay, so you can develop on your own, or I have posted few videos on my YouTube channel, you can check them. So you have to practice these affirmations daily. Okay, so it will help you to shift your energy quickly, and it will help you to manifest your dreams. So it's a technique that angels want you to follow. Wow, this is a I love this card. See, the message is very clear. Victory, your desire is coming to fruition. Keep up the good work. Wow, guys, I need not even explain this card. So if you're waiting for the success is going to happen. It is on the way, and you're going to experience in this coming 6 months. Next card is dietary change. Again, I need not explain. Okay, so there is a need to bring some changes in your diet. There is a need to make some changes in your diet. So eat more of fruits, drink a lot of water. If you want, you can consult experts in the field. You can take the help of dietitian, and make those changes. And I'm sure your bodies are giving you some signs, some messages, some signals that you like, for example, if you're overeating, or they're giving you clear message, what changes they would like you to make. So you just need to try to understand what your body is trying to tell you. Okay, guys. Alright, so these were the messages for people who chose pile number 2. Now let's move on to pile number 3. All those who selected pile number 3, here are your cards, and these are tarot cards. So let's check what's stored for you guys in coming 6 months. Let's check messages one by one. So the first card you got is the World card. This is a very, very positive card, guys. This is an amazing card to get it, and it indicates a lot of positive shifts are going to happen in your life. The major changes are going to happen in your life, and these changes are going to be extremely positive. This card is all about good news, positivity, happy changes, happy endings. Okay, next card you got is Magician. Wow, this is again a very powerful card. It means that you're going to feel extremely confident about yourself, about your abilities. Also, your faith in the God or in the universe is going to increase. Your manifestation abilities are going to increase, and whenever you require anything, guys, all the resources are going to show up at a right time, and you're gonna have that kind of a faith. Okay, so this is a card about positivity, confidence, and you guys, you will kind of know that yes, whatever I'm doing is a right thing. I am on a right path. The next card you got is Queen of Summer. Okay, so during this period, you're going to be very intuitive and sensitive and emotional, and you're going to take care of your family or friends or your loved ones. You are going to offer them your emotional support, and they're going to feel healed by your words. So just be there for your loved ones and offer help to them whenever they require, because during this period you're going to get blessed with this healing energy, and they're going to feel it. Also, this card indicates that you need to manage your own energy, because high sensitivity can lead to feeling of drained, or feeling unnecessary overwhelm. That kind of a situation also you might experience. So just take care of your energy as well. So the next card you got is Six of Raphael. Wow. So guys, this is a time to connect with your childhood friends. Okay, all right. At times you're gonna feel that I just want to spend some time alone. You're gonna crave for me time, and you are going to take efforts to get some privacy, because you will feel that I just want to spend some moments in silence, or so meditation is going to help. But also, this card is saying that you're going to feel very happy, and your mood is going to shift especially when you are going to meet or connect with your childhood friends. So do connect with your friends, guys. It's just time to relish your old memories. Next card you got is Seven of Winter. All right. So, in some areas of your life, you're gonna feel that, oh my God, I've been trying very hard to achieve what I want to, or I'm trying very hard to resolve this situation, yet this is not happening. So, this card is telling you that, guys, there are different and better options are available which you have not tried yet. Okay, so don't feel stuck, don't feel helpless. Okay, keep trying, keep exploring new options, because angels are assuring that there are better options available to resolve the situation. Also, this card is telling you that admit your true feelings, guys. Okay, don't suppress yourself, just be honest with yourself and admit what exactly you're feeling. Just keep asking this question to yourself: what do I really want? What do I really want? Keep asking this. All right, so next card you got is King of Summer. Okay, so this card is again, it is very similar to Queen of Summer. The message is very similar, but this card has got more of a masculine energy. So especially boys or men, who are watching this video, they are going to. They're gonna feel that, oh my God, in these 6 months I'm becoming more sensitive. Okay, I'm becoming more emotional. Okay, so this period is giving you an opportunity to open your heart. Okay, so connect with your loved one, express your feelings, do not suppress anything, make them feel wanted, make them feel loved. Okay, and this even this personality of yours, or whatever the emotional changes that you guys are going to experience, are also be beneficial for your family members. Okay, so do not hesitate to express your feelings. Next card you got is Prince of Autumn. Okay, so guys, during this time, if you're signing any legal documents, you guys need to be very careful. Okay, just read everything properly, check each and every detail properly. You need to be meticulous, and just stay alert. Okay, just don't take risk blindly. This is a time to take a calculated risk. Okay, and just be alert. Next card you got is Page of Wands. Okay, so this card is a full of energy. This card has an energy of physical movements. Okay, so I see many people changing their jobs, changing their places, or maybe doing rigorous exercises and all. So and this card is very good when it comes to career, business, or money related situations. So basically this card is all about feeling inspired to take an action, and when you are into that zone, no one can just stop you, and that action is going to yield 100% results. So definitely, just when you feel inspired to take an action, please take it. Do not doubt it at that time. Next card you got is King of Swords. Okay, all right, so this card is telling you that, guys, you need to draw healthy boundaries with people around you. You need to communicate very clearly with others. This card is very much aligned with the Prince of Autumn, because that card was asking you to be very alert, and this card is asking you to set clear boundaries as well as communicate clearly. Okay, so it could be about using right grammar, using right body language, using right tone or words. So just be careful, just be clear. Okay, and also this is a time to stand up for what you believe is right, what you believe is the truth. Okay, just don't let others dominate you. Okay, just be professional with people around you. Okay, and just be alert and communicate clearly. All right, so this was all about tarot card reading. So now let's check messages from angel cards. So these are 4 cards, you got it. Okay, music for manifesting, perfect timing, wow. Giving and receiving, yes. and Archangel Michael. Wow. So the first card you got is music for manifesting. So it means that, guys, there is a need to spend some time in meditation, listen to music. Okay. Also listen to listen to your favorite songs, because it will help you to shift your energy. But especially before sleeping, or at the bedtime, you just have to listen to meditation music. It will definitely help you. It will help you to raise your vibrations. Alright, next card you got is perfect timing. Wow. So guys, if you're feeling that, I feel inspired, if you guys are feeling inspired to take any action, launch any new projects, or if you are intuitively feeling that I must work on certain things in my life, then this is a perfect timing. Okay, do not delay it. Okay, this is the perfect timing to take an action. Just go ahead. This is a clear green signal from angels. Next card you receive, you got is giving and receiving. All right, it means that at times when you just give, then you kind of feel drained. Okay, so in order to balance your energy, you must ensure that you are receiving from other people. Okay, so the here receiving means it could be receiving of love, money, time, or help. Okay, just don't assume that okay, I'm not going to receive anything from people around me, I'm a giver. No, don't do that, because it drains your energy. So ensure that if you're doing for people around you, you have to ensure that they are also doing something for you. Okay, all right. The next card you got is Archangel Michael. Wow, I love Archangel Michael. He is an angel to, he's an angel who protects people, and who help us releasing our fears, insecurities, and doubts. So guys, if you're feeling fearful, if you're feeling worried about your future, if you're feeling insecure, this is a time to invoke Archangel Michael. And how to invoke Archangel Michael? Simply say, Archangel Michael, I need your help right now, and he will be standing next to you. The fact that you received you have drawn this card in this reading, it means he's already there with you, giving you courage and confidence. So please, whenever you feel it, just say, Archangel Michael, please help me, give me courage, give me confidence, or please heal my fears and insecurities. Alright guys, so this was these were messages from angel cards. So thank you for watching my video, guys. Do subscribe to my channel, and do share this reading with people who are having birth date number 3. And if you have liked this video, do post your comments, and do share this video, and stay tuned. I would be releasing separate videos on number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.